There are three main different types of noise that are often used, and can help alleviate the symptoms of tinnitus. They are white noise, pink noise, and brown noise. But what do they really mean? Let's take a look, and listen, to each one of them. White noise is a type of noise that contains all audible frequencies at equal intensity. It can help mask the ringing or buzzing sounds associated with tinnitus by providing a constant and soothing background noise. Pink noise, on the other hand, is similar to white noise but with reduced higher frequencies. It has a more balanced and less harsh sound. Pink noise can be particularly helpful for promoting relaxation and improving sleep quality. Lastly, we have brown noise. Brown noise has a deeper and lower frequency sound compared to white and pink noise. It emphasizes lower frequencies and can be effective in masking external sounds and promoting a sense of calm. Let's listen to a sample now of each of these three sounds. To use these noise options, simply select the one that suits you best and adjust the volume to a comfortable level. You can play the noise through speakers or use headphones for a more immersive experience. You should be able to find sounds and noises similar to each of these in your everyday life. Some appliances around the house, such as fans, air conditioners, or even vacuum cleaners, can produce a similar white noise. Pink noises can often be found in nature, such as rushing rivers, ocean waves, or a steady rainfall. Brown noises, which again, use the deepest frequencies compared to the other two, can sound like thunderstorms, crashing waves, or even a running shower. It's important to note that the effectiveness of different types of noise can vary from person to person. It may be helpful to experiment with different options and find what works best for you. We have dozens of different sound videos on our channel to try out. From fast relief, to overnight listening, and help falling asleep. Please make sure to like, and subscribe, and look through our playlists of videos, to find the ones that are most helpful to you.